Good morning, everyone. In the last class, I told you about double circulation, but the process I didn't tell you. So, see, if this is the heart, this diagram is very important. You have to draw in your notebook also, because in the textbook, this diagram is not there. So, if this is your heart, and heart is divided into four chambers, auricles, ventricles. Auricles, this is right side, this is left side. So in double circulation there are two types of circulation. First one is pulmonary circulation. Next one is systemic circulation. First, pulmonary circulation. In the pulmonary circulation, what happens? Starting from the right ventricle. From right ventricle, blood will be entering into arteries, and from arteries it will enter into lungs, and from lungs it will enter into aorta, and from aorta it will again enter into left atrium. That means again it entered into heart. From right ventricle into arteries, and then from there to lungs, aorta and left atrium. Here you see in the diagram, from right ventricle it has entered into arteries, lungs, aorta, and aorta it has brought the blood into left atrium. This is one circulation. After entering into left atrium, because it has come from the lungs, it will be having purified blood. So that blood it will enter into the left ventricle. So now systemic circulation will start. Systemic circulation, it will start from the left ventricle. From there it enters into aorta, and it enters into all the body parts, and then it enter into veins, and veins will carry this blood to right atrium or right auricle. Okay, from left ventricle it has reached left auricle से left ventricle तक blood has reached. Now it enters into aorta. इधर एक aorta रहते ना, I have drawn diagram previously. So from there it enters into aorta, and from aorta it will enter into all different body parts. From the body parts, whatever the deoxygenated or impure blood is there, it will be connected by veins, and these veins will carry the deoxygenated blood again to the right auricle. From right auricle it comes again downwards. So whatever the impure blood is there, it will take this to lungs, and lungs will purify the blood, and that will again get into the heart. Like this, two cycles are there. If you see these two cycles or two different circulations as they are occurring in the heart, it is called double circulation. If it is entering into lungs, it is called pulmonary circulation. If it is not entering into lungs, and if it is entering into body parts, it is called systemic circulation. So your assignment for today is draw this diagram, and you write pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation from the textbook. In page number 54 you are having about the double circulation. Draw diagram from this class, and you write about pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, how they are flowing, everything, because this is very important answer. Okay, thank you.